Hi, ymyrisydd yma o sgil iaith, a dwi am siarad ynglyn â'r estyniad ar gyfer porwr o'r enw Mote. This is Emrys from Sgil Iaith, and I'd like to talk about the extension called Mote for use in various browsers, but specifically for use within Google Forms, Docs, and Spreadsheets. Felly mae Mote yn caniatáu i ni gadael adborth ar lafar, ac i'r myfyrwr derbyn yr adborth yna, nid dim ond ar lafar, ond hefyd trwy testun ac fedru cyfieithu'r testun yna i'w dewis iaith. So Mote allows us to leave feedback orally through voice recordings, but the student is also able to access those recordings through a transcription, so that text can be translated into a language of their choice. Felly yna i dechrau trwy dangos sut mae hwn yn gweithio yn y Gymraeg. I'll start by leaving some feedback for this first line in Welsh. Cychwyn da, daliwch ati. Cychwyn da, daliwch ati.
Good start, keep going.
Nawr, os dwi eisiau newid iaith, mae rhaid i fi mynd i fewn i'r estyniad a gadael i'r estyniad wybod pa iaith dwi'n siarad. If I want to change the input language, then I need to let the extension know that I'm going to do that. And I've also found that I need to restart the document in order to enable that. So I'm going to do that quickly. Good use of punctuation. Good use of punctuation. Ac eto fedra I gael hwnna wedi cyfieithu i'r Gymraeg. Translate that into Welsh as well.
Defnydd da o atalnodi.
Ond fel dwi'n dweud, mae werth gwybod bod yn ymwybodol o beth yw'r cynllun prisio sy'n perthnasol i'r adnodd yma. A paid version is required by the tutor, not by the students, but by the tutor in order to facilitate the transcription service and the translation service beyond the first month of the trial. It's a trial version that I'm using.